time of rapid progress, when precision robotics, advancements in AI, and the capabilities of 5G can accelerate innovation, revolutionize logistics, and enhance our daily lives. When robotics, AI, and 5G work in unison, new possibilities emerge. This is the Invention Age. It starts with Qualcomm.
Are you ready? Ready